Hello friends, these are some of the maths activity worksheets which I prepared for my child in her LKG days, that is children between 3 to 4 years old. Here they will learn in an interesting way the quantitative as well as qualitative knowledge about numbers, like fill in the blanks, before, after, counting, etc. in an interesting way. Hope you like it, and the link of the PDF is given in the description under the video. This worksheet is all about pre-number concept or knowledge of a child through an interesting worksheet where he or she can compare between quality and quantity. For example, few and many. This is a quantitative comparison but a quality too. Similarly, big and small. Here you can make a bigger size and a smaller size, or you can even indicate with numbers, a big number and a small number, more or less, tall and short, etc. This simple worksheet is actually telling a child to do different things with different number of objects. For example, coloring, giving a tick or a cross or a circle around the number indicated here. Friends, you can also make this interesting worksheet where your child has to connect between few numbers. For example, here he or she has to connect from 1 to 21 and make a diagram. Here from 13 to 14. Similarly, you can make any kind of pictures and give them numbers to connect. In this worksheet, I have first given them fill in the blanks from 1 to 20. and then I have given before and after in between. For basic learners who have still not learned to count from 1 to 20 nicely, this box will help them to find out the numbers before and after or in between. For those who already know it, this is not required. Friends, counting numbers or counting objects and writing them can be demonstrated through many kind of interesting worksheets. This is the first one of them, where they have to count the number of objects I have drawn and select the one which is the correct. Here they have to just count and write the numbers. You can also ask them to color the objects. This worksheet is also based on counting. Here, the child has to count the number of dots on the body of the beetle and connect the one which matches. This worksheet is also based on numbers. Where they have to count the objects and the numbers are jumbled up here, so they have to count and match with the jumbled numbers. You can also encourage your child to color the objects. This is an interesting worksheet based on counting numbers. Here I have drawn a scenario with different trees, clouds, sun, houses, trucks, etc. Here they have to count the objects present in this scenario and write the one indicated in this box.